Alright, this is Hodad's in Ocean Beach, California. We got our food to go, but I wanted to video the inside real quick before I left. A local told us, instead of standing in the big, huge, long line that's out here, which you'll see here in just a second, this big line that's down here, a local told us to skip the line, order it to go, would be a lot quicker, so that's what we did, and we're going to take the burgers down to the beach. It was established 1969. World's best burger, under 99 gazillion sold. That's a dig at McDonald's there. But yeah, this is the line. That's the line for the place. And then there's another little seating area that's out here. And then here's the menu right here as well. So this is what I got from Hodad's. Bacon cheeseburger, fries. Alright, so I was walking back from eating our burgers at the beach, our Hodad's, and I came across this mural. I didn't notice it earlier. It's El Nino, Fernando Tatis Jr. There's another one up there, and there's a big one here of the flag. I like those are cool. But just to let you guys know, the burgers from Hodad's were very good. The onion rings, the fries, everything was excellent. The chocolate shakes, everything was really good. Definitely worth a stop if you're in Ocean Beach. Just do that tip if the line is really long. Get your food to go. You order it inside at the counter to go. We waited maybe about 15 minutes for our food, and we just walked onto the beach and sat right down there by the beach and ate it. When we finished eating, the people that were in front of us in line were probably still inside, and we took our sweet old time. So, but yeah, it was very good. Come and check it out if you're in Ocean Beach. This is kind of like the main road here. It has all the little restaurants and shops, and this is where Hodad's was at too. It's Newport Avenue is the name of the street.